Welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We took out a decent sized planting hole. We can't resist planting this plant here. It's a camellia called Jury's Yellow, and Jury's Yellow has got flowers white with a lovely yellow centre. You can see some of the very early ones just opening out. Now this plant, look at the amount of flower buds here. There's hundreds and hundreds of flowers ready to open. They're in the web shop, so they're decent size straight away, and a great big strong stem as well. And we will have some younger ones in another while ready if you need a smaller one to plant. Now we took out a decent sized planting hole. We're going to mix in some swell compost with the soil and some Super Thrive planting fertilizer at the bottom. Super Thrive planting fertilizer is a very important fertilizer when you're planting all your hedging and trees, shrubs, perennial flowers. So a couple of good handfuls gone in there. It reduces transplant shock, and it's slowly released for the plant with all the major and minor nutrients that this camellia will need. So plenty of nice soil back in around there, plenty of well compost mixed with the soil for back in around our Camellia Jury's Yellow. Now we're going to take them out of this pot. I'd say the roots, because it's such a strong plant, will be well packed in the container, and not bad. Just give them a little teasing out, and we're going to put them in the same depth as the surrounding soil. Now this area is shaded from early morning sun. Very important for camellias, because early morning sun after a nice frost will make a right mess of our flowers. So that's Camellia Jury's Yellow. Isn't it beautiful? It's great to have early colour like this. So just going to cover it up in there. So some well compost and soil going back in around the plant. No excuses for them. Little light firming in as well. Now to grow a decent size in this area, we'll keep the laurel trim back of course and let them fill out nicely here. And we'll flower, first to last flower over about 11 or 12 weeks with Camellia Jury's Yellow. It leaves in a spot sheltered from early morning sun. So no excuses for them. That'll be beautiful there. Now we're going to feed it with a very important fertilizer for azaleas, for rhododendrons, for camellias, our high iron formula. And our high iron formula contains mix-proof, soluble potash, and very important, some dry sequester of iron. And we recommend you feed your camellias, your rhododendrons, your magnolias, your azaleas and blueberries every 4 to 6 weeks with our high iron feed like that from now, to make sure we have lots of flower buds like this and flowers next year. We've healthy foliage and a good root system. Bye for now. Enjoy your garden.